One of the biggest misconception of cybersecurity engineer role is like think of it as a guy in the hoodie is just like a hacker. I mean, there are more than 10 roles. You and I can talk,
Oh,
spend an hour what those roles
there's
are.
dozens and dozens. And what I mean by that is that, cybersecurity, you think of it as an over, a tent or an umbrella or something, careers under cybersecurity, right? So you have
Yeah.
SOC analyst, you have blue team, red team, you have engineers, you have threat analysts, you have governance and risk compliance people who just do nothing but malware and threat analysis all day, every day. You have firewall engineers, et cetera. So I'm in cybersecurity. I say I'm a cybersecurity engineer or a cybersecurity architect. If you really want to be involved in security, you need to get involved in IT at some point. If you're working at the help desk and you're running around replacing keyboards and monitors, start there. Start there, get your foot in the door, build yourself a name. The next thing you know, you're being asked to do projects, or the next thing you know, you're being involved in projects and activities within your organization. And the next thing you know, then maybe you're able to try to get a job in IT at any level